Hello and welcome to the Crypto Street Trading channel. Hope you guys are doing good and taking benefit from all the content that we're posting on our channel. So guys, this video is about specifically educational content. As our series is going on, we are going to discuss sentiment analysis today. We have discussed in our previous videos technical analysis in general and fundamental analysis in general, and right now it's sentiment analysis. So we will see generally how it acts and how what are the key elements that sentiment analysis is dependent upon. All right, so the main thing of the sentiment analysis is to make an informed decision. Basically, all of the analysis we do because we wanted to take an informed decision, so we can actually end or close our trade into profit, not in loss. Because the more you are aware of the situation, the more accurate your edge is, then you are at a good chance, there is a good probability that you will secure profit. All right, so before we move on, please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon so you can get all the latest updates from our channel, and leave a comment if you need any update. We'll definitely respond to you. So sentiment analysis is actually the method that is used to evaluate overall mood or attitude of the market. You can say toward a specific cryptocurrency or the overall market. As our channel is specific for the crypto, so I will be using keywords or the terms for the crypto market, but this is actually applies to all the financial system and all the markets, trading markets basically. So it involves analyzing like public opinions. We see news, social media posts, forums, and other sources to gauge whether the market sentiment is positive or negative, or it could be neutral as well, right? And the goal as a trader is to understand what investors are feeling and what decision they could take in future, and that is definitely going to influence the price movement in the market. So if we discuss some of the key elements, the most important thing for us is social media activity, which is open. Anyone can post and anyone can write. So you can have a retail opinion as well, and you can have an investor's opinion as well from here, because there are big giants as well, and small traders and average size traders are also available on the social media, and they share, like the Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, they share their opinion and they have discussions, so through which you can actually gauge the market sentiment and what they are thinking about. The other big thing is the news and the media reports, like the big giants or the big whales, which you actually call. They control it and they can use this tool to actually influence the market and actually turn market a positive news is definitely going to have a bullish movement, and a negative news is going to have a panic selling, and it's going to have a bearish movement in your market. So that's important. And the next thing is there are actually tools through which market sentiment indicators like fear and greed index, you can actually use that to find out what is the actual condition in the market. It is extreme fear? Is it extreme greed? Is it neutral? So this is going to tell you, they use different algorithms to find out what actually the market is, where actually the market is. So this is important. This is important definitely as well. And other important aspect or the key element is the influencers or the public figures, like these days Donald Trump is very he's in the presidential race and he is very positive, giving very positive sentiments or very positive news for the crypto industry, but there are like CEOs or the developers of the software or the project, so their comments or their upgrades or their discussion definitely raise either it could raise a positive sentiment or a negative sentiment in the market. So this is important as well. So as this trading market is driven by the actions that is taken by the people or the institutions or the investors. So basically, what is the importance of sentiment analysis? It actually gives you it actually gives you an information. So based on that, you can actually predict either the market is the price movement could be either bullish or bearish. It reflects emotions as well in the market actions. All right, so this is important, and based on that, during FOMO or panic selling, you can actually use the market sentiment analysis to actually uh, acquire a good risk management for your trades which are open or you are going to open. So this is important as well. Another important thing is you can use the sentiment analysis to spot the trends, all right, before it reflects into the market or in the charts. So you can, the changes in sentiment often precede market shifts, so allowing investors to act before price movement fully reflect in the market's mood or the market. It's in the chart or it's in the, everyone is, for example, once the market start rising or the Bitcoin moving start rising higher and higher and breaking its all-time high, so everyone will be there to buy. All right, but if you can spot that at the lowest point, then you can enter at that point, and definitely you can have a good profit. You can secure good profits. So this is important. So you should be aware of this. You should learn and act upon, use all the type of analysis. Have, as a trader, you should have all eyes open, and you should be aware of all the developing condition around you and in the global environment as well. Like if there is any war coming up or any type of crackdown on any exchange or something like this, so they can actually panic. You can actually see a panic selling there, and the market definitely drops very fast at that points. So you can gauge, you can use sentiment analysis, and it is going to help you see all the things and to make a good informed decision. So that's all, guys. I think this is good information for you, and you can actually, based on this, and make your decisions more accurate, and you can improve your trading as well. So that's fine. We will conclude, guys. You can always join our Discord. We are providing quality analysis and quality setups there, so you can secure good profits. We are spot traders, no futures, no margins. We grow slow, but we grow definitely. So that's our motto, and we'll keep on working on this, and we hope you will join us. Thank you very much for your time.